Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of social media marketing, focusing on the big four that dominate the digital scene: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. With a combined user base in the billions, these platforms present immense opportunities for brands and entrepreneurs alike to reach diverse, engaged, and global audiences. So in this video, we're going to analyze the marketing potential of each platform, providing you with actionable insights to help you elevate your digital marketing game. Let's get into it. One, understanding each platform. Before we put our contenders to the test, we need to understand their unique attributes. Each platform brings something distinct to the table, their unique superpowers, if you will. These are the key characteristics that shape the kind of content that thrives on these platforms, influence the user base, and dictate how brands can best engage their audience. TikTok is a youthful, vibrant platform that captures the energy of the internet in its bite-sized, looped videos. Known for its lighthearted content and a user base that's primarily Gen Z, TikTok is the epicenter of viral trends and internet culture. Instagram, with its focus on visually captivating content, appeals to the artistic side of the internet. It is a platform where beautiful imagery, creative stories, and short-form videos thrive. Instagram's ability to blend aesthetics with functionality is a big draw for millennials and Gen Z. Facebook, with its expansive user base that spans all age groups, is the social media all-rounder. It's a platform that facilitates both personal connections and business interactions, with a strong emphasis on community building and targeted advertising. YouTube is the veteran in the video sharing space and is a content-rich platform that appeals to a wide audience. It's the go-to place for everything from detailed tutorials, in-depth reviews, vlogs, and music videos. 2. Platform-specific marketing strategies. Each of these platforms has developed its own ecosystem, and understanding how to navigate it is crucial for marketing success. The strategies that might be a slam dunk on one platform may not work as effectively on another. Let's uncover the unique strategies that make each platform tick. On TikTok, virality is the name of the game. Catchy tunes, entertaining challenges, and influencer partnerships drive engagement. Brands can encourage user-generated content, fostering an authentic and interactive community that resonates with the TikTok audience. Instagram is a platform that rewards creativity and aesthetics. Beautiful product shots, collaborations with influencers, engaging Instagram stories, and Reels can skyrocket brand awareness and engagement. Brands can utilize Facebook groups for building a dedicated community around their brand and take advantage of Facebook's comprehensive platform for targeted advertising. YouTube is a treasure trove of long-form, value-packed content. Educational and informative content such as tutorials, how-tos, product reviews, or in-depth discussions can help you build a loyal subscriber base and enhance your brand's credibility. 3. Analyzing successful case studies. Success leaves clues, and we're about to follow the trail. Each platform has its own Hall of Fame brands that have mastered the art of social media marketing on these platforms. Let's delve into some success stories that can inspire your own marketing strategy. Gymshark. Fitness apparel brand Gymshark cleverly used TikTok to create a community around their products. They launched the hashtag Gymshark66 challenge, encouraging users to post their fitness journeys for 66 days straight, leading to over 45 million views and massive user engagement. This was a smart move to involve their audience directly in content creation, simultaneously promoting their products and fostering a sense of community. The beauty brand Glossier is an Instagram powerhouse. They've harnessed the power of user-generated content, consistently interacting with their followers and showcasing their products in visually stunning ways. Their Instagram page isn't just about sales, it's a platform for sharing stories, creating connections, and building an engaged community. The strong emphasis on customer interaction and visual storytelling sets them apart. BuzzFeed's Tasty redefined food content on Facebook. They capitalized on the popularity of short, easy-to-digest video content. Their quick, engaging cooking tutorials became a staple in many users' feeds, making Tasty synonymous with delectable, easy-to-make food. Their success underscores the potential of snappy, engaging video content on Facebook. Blendtec's Will It Blend YouTube series stands as a testament to the power of creative, original content. Their unique series showcasing the blending of various household items, including tech gadgets like iPhones, captured the audience's attention and skyrocketed their brand recognition. Their quirky, engaging content underlined their product's durability and performance, proving that informative content can be both fun and compelling. 4. Choosing the right platform. Now we've covered a lot about each platform, but the most important question remains: which platform should you choose for your business? Let's dive deeper and examine this crucial question. Every platform has its own unique strengths, and the right choice ultimately depends on your business type, target audience, and marketing goals. If your business primarily targets younger audiences and thrives on trend-based content, TikTok could be your goldmine. With its immense organic reach, engaging content formats, and user-centric algorithm, you can create viral content and build an engaged following relatively quickly. On the other hand, if your business is in the fashion, beauty, lifestyle, or travel industry, Instagram might be the better choice. With its visually focused platform and a plethora of interactive features like stories, shopping, and reels, Instagram allows brands to showcase their products beautifully and interact deeply with their audience. If you're aiming for a wider demographic and a more diverse audience, Facebook could be your best bet. With its comprehensive ad tools, vast user base, and community building features, Facebook provides a well-rounded platform for businesses to establish a strong presence online. Finally, if your brand is centered around creating in-depth, educational, or informative content, YouTube could be the platform of choice. As the second largest search engine, YouTube can help you reach an enormous audience, drive consistent traffic, and build a loyal subscriber base through high-quality video content. So, who's the winner? Well, that depends on your brand and your target audience. Each of these platforms can offer significant advantages, but the key lies in understanding where your audience hangs out and tailoring your content to engage with them effectively. If your target audience is Gen Z, TikTok may be the best bet. For visually appealing products targeting millennials, Instagram could be a powerhouse. If you're aiming for a wide age range and wish to build an engaged community, Facebook might be your golden ticket. And if you're into creating detailed, long-form content that provides value, YouTube is your stage. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all in social media marketing. Knowing your audience, creating engaging content, and utilizing the unique features of each platform is the recipe for success. That's it for today's social media showdown. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful and subscribe for more digital marketing insights. Drop a comment below to share your experiences with these platforms and let us know which one works best for you. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing.